How to make your Facebook account private. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can make your Facebook account private, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the one thing you have to understand over here is that Facebook, unlike Instagram and TikTok, does not have only one toggle that you can simply switch between private and public account. That's not how it works on Facebook. On Facebook you have to review each of the options manually. So to get started, first of all, launch the Facebook app over here. Then you want to simply make sure to tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side. Then scroll down to the bottom, go to the option called settings and privacy, and then tap on it. When you go to settings and privacy, you'll find the option called privacy shortcuts. Just tap on privacy shortcuts. And then now when you tap on privacy shortcuts, right over here you'll find see more privacy settings. Just tap on it again. When you tap on the see more privacy settings option, over here you'll be able to see all these sorts of details, and here you can see how people can find and contact you. So just make sure to tap on it. Now right over here you can see who can see your friend request. You can send it to everyone or set this to only yourself if you'd like. You can see who can see your friends list. You can just select that. Who can look you up using email address, who can look you up using the phone number, and do you want to search engines to outside Facebook to link to your profile. Now you can also select a privacy setting for your post if you want. You can select the privacy setting for your stories if you want to. Similarly with the reels, the followers, and the public content, the profile and tagging, blocking, as well as active status. These are all the different things that you can customize on Facebook yourself. But I said earlier that it's not just one toggle and one switch where you can simply switch between private to public or public to private. So hope this video helped you as to how you can make your private account on Facebook. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.